We went all the way to Caribou, Maine to buy this 1979 Pontiac Trans Am that had been sitting in a garage for 10 plus years, and now it's time to clean it. This is how we got it. It's been sitting in this tent all winter. This is pretty much how we got it. And look how dirty it is. But it's all there. It's all together. So we're gonna start the process of cleaning this thing. Hey, it's a 79 Trans Am with a 6.6. How cool is that? So we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna fix her up, and get her running. Maybe do some burnouts, and that's that. First thing to do is put some air in the tires. She's sat since we got her and is looking a little low. There's some dry rot on the tires, so put that on the list of things we'll potentially have to buy. This shot right here gives you a great shot of the exhaust, which is on both sides and looks friggin' sweet.
Could be important. Better save that. Save that spring. Ooh.
That's a bit windy.
Yeah. Trunk doesn't open right.
That'd be a dead mouse.
Whoa.
Well, I guess the next step is take the seats out. That's the only way you can really clean it. Take the seats out.
Take the seats out.
Take the seats out of it, give it a good vacuum, and go from there.
Alright. Plan.
The front seats just have a few bolts to undo and no electronics to disconnect, so it makes it a breeze. Not too bad. The bolts have been in there since 1979.
Coming right out.
Coming right out.
Yeah.
2 bolts in the front, 2 bolts in the rear. Nice and simple. It's quite warm out here. In all honesty, it's not that bad. A vacuum and a shampoo and that carpet should be good as new.
Check it out, ashtray in the back.
Yeah, gotta have that. This car, Maine treated. No wax or polish, please. Don't know what that's all about. It's funny the things cars collect over the years, especially when they've been sitting a while. Passenger side is the same, no electronics, and 4 bolts.
Seats are in good shape, huh?
The seats are in real good shape. It's kind of hard to believe they're in such good shape. These are the original seats, and they haven't been reupholstered as far as we know. Again, the benefits of garage kept. Seat number 2.
Front seats are out. Now we're going to do back seats.
A quick vacuum and inspection by the dog before we're allowed to move on.
What's under there, like a clip or something, or?
Yeah. Usually you just push it back. Rat's nest under there.
Mm-hmm.
These seats pop out easy. You just have to push them in and they pop right off the clips.
Oh, you
Bastard, come on. Just push them in and they come right out. You gotta be Christ. Rat's nest under there.
Is it?
Must have been a rat living in here.
I feel like it must have been a rat.
That is fucking nasty in here.
Is it?
Just like that, super simple. When we bought it, we were told the trunk wouldn't open. Dad's going to take the backrest out so he can reach through and pop open the trunk from the inside.
And of course, it's supposed to just pull right up. There's a big home in there.
Oh, there is a big home in there. Lots of little chopped up bits.
What the I never, ever had a car come apart like this.
This Trans Am's apparently giving him a tough time.
Do you want me to pass you that mallet?
There she goes. We are almost in. Another mess to vacuum up before we move on, but at least we know we're giving it a nice deep clean.
Wow.
That looks a bit gross back there.
Huh?
There's a tyre in there by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could reach it. Can't reach it.
It's too far, isn't it? Can't
Yeah,
reach
it's
it.
too far
Yeah.
for me to reach.
Can't be reached by hand, but it can be reached by tool.
Hey, check that out. Look at you. There we go. Got your jack,
Yeah. Spare tire.
spare tyre.
That's the spare. It's got that's the inflator thing.
Yeah. So,
This is the snorkel I was looking for. That goes under the hood.
perfect. Honestly, not as bad in there as I was
Oh,
thinking.
this is simple. This is simple to.
Get into if you shouldn't.
It's the olden days. Now you can. I'll pop this out. I'll get a new lock,
And you'll be good to go.
and you can open it with a screwdriver. In the meantime, you just pull this out, pop that out. That's the lock. That's the lock, and now I can just go in with a screwdriver and open it. When cars were simpler. Now the only thing you need to open the trunk is a screwdriver. This is how you would fill the tire.
Guessing that's a one-time use, is it?
Yeah, one-time use. I don't think it's got any, I doubt it has any air in it. But that's how you'd fill the tire.
More mice.
More. They were living large in here for a while. Not too bad.
Get out the soap, scrub down the door jambs, use some carpet cleaner, and you get a car that looks like this. Almost brand new. It's a night and day difference between how we got it and now.
It looks like it. The tire's still muddy. It looks like it's been time in the mud.
Yeah.
Time for a bath. This is the first one it's had in a very long time.
So those are the right size tyres. They do look big. 225/70 R15. These are in.
the thing with these seats is what you got is what you got.
Mm-hmm.
There's no recline on them.
Is it not?
No,
No.
no. Hope you like this driving position because
Because that's how you're
all it
driving.
does is come up. There's no, you can't recline. They are a bit like bolt upright
Are they when you sit in them?
when you sit in them compared to like, you know, cars today where you
Yeah.
can adjust it how you want it. Just enough room for someone to get in the back seat. I don't know who wants to sit back there, but nice and clean. I don't know. I always like to have things clean. You know. See what you got.